impact. So I would say something whatever I say. But if you remember these words, try to cut your partner's finger. That's it. That's an example. The word is okay. Okay? I tried to sleep well last night, but I was not okay. Come on. You see? Okay. Okay, another example. The word is alumni. When you go to the US, some people, they got money. They go there themselves. But for some people who are doing things in their community, they are being helped by the US Embassy, and they participate in programs in the US. But when they come back home, they are called alumni. Okay, and we go back to the MISEA values. Integrity, humility, giving back, and impact. Probably I'm not going to cover all, but I will say something about this. In February, I was in the United States. I was not there because of my money. No. I was there because I was sent by the US Embassy.